Let's close this. You don't want to pick that up? I thought you liked to pick that thing up. Pick it up. Come on. Now that I've got Whoopsie, whoopsie, be careful. Oh my goodness, you gonna pick it up? Oh, Pookie, you're not gonna pick it up, huh? Pick it up, Pookie. What's over that eye business? You gonna pick up the ball? Or whatever this thing is? Then pick it up and walk around with it like you were. I'm done.